A video surveillance system is only as good as its recorder. The problem is, most higher-end NVRs are expensive and too confusing for your clients to use, while most entry-level NVRs are lightweight, unsecure, and don't maximize the potential for their security cameras. The solution? UniView's X-Series NVRs. Top-tier features combined with an approachable design and affordable cost means these recorders are as user-friendly as they are powerful. Your clients will love the simplicity of the interface without sacrificing security, power, or functionality. The X-Series recorder product line is comprehensive, so you'll find a product for just about any situation. Whether you need a 4, 8, or 16 channel recorder, with or without PoE, metal construction, or plastic, these NVRs are ideal for many scenarios where you desire simplicity, yet require a feature-rich set of cameras. The approachable and intuitive interface will give security pros and novices alike an incredible experience. Installation and setup is a breeze thanks to the integrated PoE switch with plug-and-play functionality. The menu is simple to navigate and easy to learn. Yet there's enough functionality built into the recorder to handle the full array of UniView security cameras with many of their robust features. The M-Star chips at the heart of these recorders give X-Series NVRs their powerful performance and strong supply capabilities. The access resolution, decoding abilities, and interface design boast the highest specs of any single SATA entry-level NVR on the market. Record security footage up to 4K resolution and view your feeds on a 4K HDMI monitor. Encoding formats supported include the H.264, H.265, and Ultra H.265 codecs. Store your surveillance footage on a hard drive with a capacity of up to 6 terabytes of memory. Are you concerned about cybersecurity? Unlike other entry-level recorders, the embedded M-Star chip make these products fully NDAA compliant. With its trusted construction, you can safely install these NVRs even on US government properties. Inside the box, you'll find your NVR, a power cable, SATA and power cables for your hard drive, a mouse, and a quick start guide. The NVR is simple and streamlined. It also has a beautiful design with rounded corners and a thick and durable texture. Lightweight and compact, this NVR fits nicely on a rack, a table or a desk, a small control room, or anywhere you need it to. With 3 simple indicator lights on the front, you'll always know if your recorder is running properly, connected to the network, and properly recording to your hard drive. On the back, you'll only see the ports that you need, reducing confusion and making setup that much easier. With 4 or 8 PoE ports, you can connect your cameras via plug-and-play for instant single-cable installation. The uplink port allows you to connect your NVR right to your network. With RCA audio in and audio out connections, you can connect your recorder directly to external speakers or a microphone. And with 2 USB ports, you can connect both an NVR mouse and a USB flash drive for exporting your footage. Choose between an HDMI display output up to a 4K resolution or a VGA display output up to a Full HD 1080p resolution. Or connect both an HDMI and VGA monitor to mirror your displays. The temperature regulating technology built into the NVR provides more power with less heat, giving this recorder a wide working temperature range. With the heat sink, X-Series NVRs eliminate the use of noisy and distracting fans. The PCB board is neat, stable, and constructed with world-class components. 25% voltage fluctuations are supported, and the power consumption is far less than other larger and power-hungry NVRs. To install your hard drive, connect the power cable and the SATA cable, and secure your hard drive in place. The flexible mounting holes allows for hard drives of various shapes and sizes. Once your recorder is back together, it's ready to go. Power up your NVR and connect it to your network and to your monitor. To add your cameras, simply connect them to the Power over Ethernet switch in the back of your NVR. If your cameras are from UniView, they will automatically connect to your NVR via plug and play, and you will have instant live video on your monitor in no time. But if your cameras are third-party, you can still connect them via the OnVIF protocol, as long as those cameras comply with the OnVIF standards. Enjoy a streamlined and flexible live view with 4 windows, 9 windows, or a single channel. Corridor mode is also supported. Playback is simple, smooth, and synchronized. Set up VCA smart events and easily filter through your recordings to see only the events that you're interested in. With simple and intuitive navigation, any feature you're looking for can be found in just a few clicks. You can access your camera feeds and recorded footage on the go with a free EasyCloud P2P account. With the EasyView mobile app and the EasyStation computer software, your security system is always just a few taps away no matter where you are. Set up alarm triggers on your phone to receive push notifications so you can always see your surveillance feeds at just the right moments. UniView's X-Series NVRs give you and your clients more power with less clutter. The next time you need to set up a 4, 8, or 16 channel surveillance system, and you don't need useless bells and whistles, these recorders will give you everything you need. With its professional and industrial design,